So, hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Today we are discussing the solutions for the biweekly contest 101, and in this video we will be focusing on the first question, which is the easy question. Let us see what it asks, right? So, yeah, this is the question. It's question 2605. Form smallest number from two digits array. So, what I will just give you a gist of what the question is. We are always given two arrays, right? One is called nums1 and another is called nums2, right? And the length in this case will be 1 to 9. That means it will have only digits from 1 to 9 at a max, right? So what we have to do is we have to pick one number from here and we have to pick one number from here. Okay, what the question says is return the smallest number that contains at least one digit from each array. What we have to do, we have to pick at least one digit from array and we have to form a number and it should be the smallest possible. So see, there are two scenarios here. Suppose these two have a common number. For example, in this question, if you see this is the nums1 array, this is the nums2 array. In this case, 3 is common, right? So what the question says is, return the smallest number that can have at least one digit from each array. So 3 is in this also, 3 is in this also. So finally the answer will be 3 itself. It's a single digit answer. So if a digit is present in both arrays, then the answer will be single digit answer. That is the number itself. But in this case, if you see, there is nothing common, right? There is nothing common in nums1 and nums2. In this case, you have to return a two-digit answer, in which one digit will be from this array and one digit will be from this array, right? See, it's never nowhere mentioned that the first digit will always be in the tens place. See, in this case, one is coming which in the tens place. It's coming from this array, but it's nowhere written that which the first nums1 array will be always contribute for the tens digit. Okay, they're simply saying return the smallest number that contains at least one digit from each of the arrays, right? So what solution I have coded is, see, this kind of questions you can easily solve if you have knowledge about the set, Python sets. So let's see how to do it. I am making a set out of my number one and I am making a set out of my number two. I am calling them as A and B, right? I am doing A and B, what it means. See, it will return the common value. If there is a common value, it will return that. See, there can be more than one common value as well, right? So I'm checking if there is a common value. See, if num means common num means if a value exists. If no value exists, then this condition won't be true, right? If a common value exists, I will come in this part. What it will return? It will return the minimum of the all common values. For example, in this case, there is only three, which is only single value, which is common, right? But it can be more than three as well sometimes. So we have to return the smallest value. So this condition will check for cases where there is a common value, and it will return the minimum of the common all the common values, right? Now coming to this part will handle if there are no common values, right? So I am declaring a variable answer. I am taking the min. Min means it will take the minimum of all the numbers present in min A. A represents min A, sorry, nums one, right? It represents nums one. A represents nums one. So it will take the minimum of all values present in nums one. Similarly, min B means it will take the minimum of all values present in nums two, right? That's what is min B. Now, see, I have two numbers now, min A and min B. Now, which will be in the tens class and which will be in the ones part? How to know that? See, our tens part contributes more to the answer. For example, if we have C, in this case, it is taking 1 and 5, right? With 1 and 5, I can form two numbers, which is 51 and 15. 5, 1 and 1, 5. So definitely the smallest number should be present in the tens part. So this is what I'm doing in the tens part. Tens part means into 10, which you will do, no? Right? That's the tens part. So I'm taking the min of min A and min B. See, again, I will repeat. In the tens part, I'm taking the minimum of min A and min B. And in the ones part, I'm taking the max of min A and min B. Okay? So if you come to this part, see, in this example, let us say, see, in this case, min will be 1 and this will be the max, right? 1 and 5. So min A will be 1 and min B will be 5. Among 1 and 5, which is the min now, which is 1. So 1 will come in the tens place and 5 will come in the ones place. So that is the answer here. You can clearly see it's accepted answer. And the only thing which you need to solve this kind of questions, you should have this particular knowledge, how to find the commons. Again, see, this set is just a length of 900, so it's not a complex thing to find user sets in this question answers. And right, that is all about this question. If you have any doubts, please comment below. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you once again.